The history of barrettes dates back to the Bronze Age, and initially worn by peasants and shepherds, they were adopted by the military in the 19th century. And today, a versatile fashion accessory with a rich cultural and symbolic past. Hi, I'm Ruby, a self-proclaimed fashion designer. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get sewing.
This is episode 2 of sewing my summer wardrobe from scraps. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this denim beret using some scrap fabric that I have left from when I made the jorts.
Today we are making our own pattern, so I hopped onto Beyonce's internet and looked for a tutorial. So you're gonna need a square of 12 by 12 inches, and if you're using centimeters, it will be 30.48 centimeters. I am folding the square in half again so that I have a crisscross of folds so that we can fold it into a smaller square. To draw the curves of my circle, I am using 6 inches, which is half of 12. I'm just going to rotate my tape measure and draw my curve. We're gonna go ahead and measure the circumference of our head and then find the radius of that circumference. Taking that radius, I'm gonna mark it from the middle point of my circle onto the two sides, and then we're gonna draw a curve combining those two lines so that we have basically a middle circle in the middle of the circle. Too much of the word circle going on here. So this is how your pattern should look like, and when you put it on your head, it should fit around your head. Mine is a little too loose. I think I'm gonna add 1 inch to my radius and adjust that when I'm cutting. I'm gonna start by cutting out the outside piece of the beret, which is the top part of the beret. So we're just cutting out the outside of the circle. Then the second piece, we're gonna cut out the outside and the inside circle. We're gonna put the two circles right sides touching and sew on the outside. For lining, I'm using this lining piece that I had left over from when I made my fur jacket last winter. We are cutting the same pieces we cut out for the denim for the lining as well. Now we're gonna put the pieces right sides touching and sew on the outside. Sewing the lining piece, make sure that you leave a little gap in that seam so that we can flip the head the right side. I went ahead and snipped the seam allowance on the head, so when I flip it over, it's going to have a nice flat seam when I also iron over it. Now I flipped the outside of the beret, we're gonna leave the lining on the wrong side out, and then we're gonna put the denim piece on the inside of the lining, and then pin the middle circle of the denim to the middle circle of the lining, and then sew around. Now we're gonna look for a little open space we left open, and then we're gonna turn the head inside out. And don't forget to sew the little seam we left open in the lining.